What up, shoppers? I'm here at Savers on a Monday. We're gonna take advantage of their half off everything. Gonna look for shoes today, and if anything's worth selling, hopefully at a good margin, then we're gonna post it on eBay, and then I'll show you how to box it. $15. $3. Beat eaters. Shoes are a bust. Alright, I got lucky with this one. $14.49. Tags are still on it. So I'm just gonna grab it, see how lucky we can get with selling it. It's a women's running top. We didn't have anything good in shoes, so I don't want to leave empty-handed. $7.85 is the bottom line that we're gonna sell these things for to get our money back. We're gonna try to put it up for $20 and offer free shipping, so we make some money. Little life hack for you: when you go shopping at Savers, bring your own bag. We're gonna use keywords like Nike running, women's Nike running shirt, dry fit. A good thing about this one is it was half off at Savers today. Spent $7.85, and it's a good size. It's 2X, so if someone who's looking for those sizes should be looking for the 2X. So I'm going to include that in the title. Show you what I do. I measure it, take pictures, and then I'll post it on all the platforms. I'm going to cut off the tag from Savers. You never really want to let them know how much you paid for it, because you're reselling it. Buy low, sell high. From the As Seen on Television. It folds it perfect for the poly mailers that I use, and then they actually use this at the store too, but theirs is branded. I seen it. Fold it like that. Fold it like that. Fold it up. Poly mailers from Amazon. These poly mailers for a lightweight tee. I got a little measuring right here. It's about 14 and by 10. 14 by 10 if it's perfect. Like that. Boom. You got yourself a nice little package. And then what I like to do is weigh it out so you know how much it'll cost you. It's about 6 pounds. 6 ounces. So you don't have to remember anything. I take those pictures. That's it. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me what you think about that purchase for that resale. If it's something that you would have passed up on, or if it's something that you actually do. We were looking for shoes today, but we struck out. Sometimes that happens. It was just lousy, super lousy. But on a Monday, something to be expected just because everyone's going shopping for that half off.